A seminar showcasing Chinese buildings was given on Monday to hundreds of students at the University of Hong Kong, delivered by Xiao Shuwen, a chief expert of China State Construction Group, one of the largest construction companies in the world. Xiao, also an academician of the Chinese Academy of Engineering, shared stories of China's millennium-old wooden building system with unparalleled spatial and structural design, as well as mushrooming mega-projects that have pushed the boundaries of modern concrete to benefit the people.
港大是我们国家包括在国际上最著名的学校之一。我希望能够首先能够投入香港的建设，更希望能够到内地。我们江河湖海啊，中国内地沙漠、高原、草啊，这全有。希望那个天地更广阔，需要的知识更广泛。
然后今天听完院士讲之后，他提到了我们国家有很多一些超级工程，然后我觉得如果说能够参与到这些超级工程当中，是一件非常了不起的事情。
肖院士他讲了很多就是关于大国工程的一些东西，然后这些工程呢，其实，虽然大家可能之前在新闻上、在报纸上都看到过，但实际上你能在现场听到真正接触过这些工程的人讲，还是不一样的。本身我未来参与这些类似的工程，其实还是很有激励作用的。
The HKU session is part of The Spirit of the Times Shines Upon Hong Kong activity series to celebrate the 72nd anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China and the 24th anniversary of Hong Kong's return to the motherland.